right, happy Sunday, you guys. So I'm back at it again. I'm still deep cleaning for the fall, and I'm cleaning my trash can out. So listen, if this is some content that you guys love to watch, give this video a thumbs up. I'm just cleaning here, and I hope this motivates you to get your week started, get some fall decor going on, because you'll see later on in the video that I will be doing fall cleaning, fall decorating. So yeah, I'm just cleaning, you guys, and let me know in the comments what you guys are having for Sunday dinner.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you
Y'all let me know if cleaning is a form of therapy for y'all, because I swear I be wanting to clean every day, but I don't do it. But I'm just saying, when I'm cleaning, I am in such a good mood. They always say cleanliness is next to godliness, so I guess that saying is so true, because when my space is clean, my mind is clear. It's like when stuff is not in its place and all out of order, it's like my mind don't be at ease.
I got feelings about you. Oh yeah. Butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for? Are you up for? I wanna be together, babe. I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for? Are you up for? I wanna be together, I wanna be babe. I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters to me.
All right, you guys, I just realized as I was doing editing this video, I've been cleaning for the last 3 days. So I done did some things twice. So y'all let me know if y'all do that. Because when I'm mopping, I always think about my trash can. And they didn't have the blue Mr. Clean in. So I tried a new one, the pet one, orange one. It smells really good. But I still like my blue one. But, you know, I had to get what it can get, and I got that at the Dollar General, and it was actually cheaper than it is in Walmart. So, but yeah, I finally got me a new mop head because my old one is seen as better days, y'all. So I got me one. I was going to get the 3 that was off of Amazon, but I wanted it right away. So I just went ahead and paid the $10 for the one at Walmart. But then I'm taking this lint brush. Yeah, I did not know that my furniture had that much lint on it, but I bought the lint brush months ago and still hadn't used it. So I finally used it, and I got this little duster thing. It was disposable ones, so you can throw them in the trash when you're done. Got it at Walmart. But yeah, just dusting off my blinds, and I finally dust off baby girl's a ceiling fan. Cause how about it ain't been dust since we been here? We've been here about 4 years. Yeah, I know that's sad, but yeah, I finally stood up in a chair because I'm too short. I can't hardly reach it. So, but I got up there and cleaned that off, and then like I said, I'm folding clothes, you guys, because this is clothes that a load that I done from yesterday. So I'm folding that and got a load in the washing machine. But y'all make sure y'all grab my cleaning schedule so y'all won't be overwhelmed. Because I'm telling you, that's my schedule that I use on a weekly basis. And it works, you guys. That's why I'm not too overwhelmed no more with household chores. Because I got me a schedule and it's working. So a lot of y'all was asking me about it. So I created it for you guys. Make sure you click the link. I have it linked in the description box for you guys. But now I'm just taking out the fall decor from last year. Because like I said, I told you I wasn't buying a whole lot. I buy little bit pieces here. Y'all know I love gnomes. So I'm on the hunt. So if y'all know where I can get some more cute gnomes, let me know. Because I love my gnomes. But I'm using my decor from last year. I'm not going to be... And baby girl just came in from school, so that's why you see me talking. I ain't talking to myself yet. But I'm using my fall decor, you guys, that I had from last year. And don't be ashamed if you don't buy new stuff every year. You don't have to buy new decor every year. Use your stuff. That's what you pay for it for. Use your stuff. Get your money's worth. And then if you see a little few things here and there, get that. But don't feel bad if you didn't get no brand new home decor, because I did, and I'm just happy-go-lucky. So I'm using what I got. I got a few little new things, but how about it was from Dollar Tree? So it's gonna still do it's gonna still do what it's supposed to do, y'all. So don't sleep on your Dollar Tree.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, yeah. Butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you
before I start cooking, I have to clean my kitchen up. I cannot clean, or I will not clean unless my kitchen is clean.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're
Got my
okay,
seasons
babe.
done
All I
stuck
wanna
together.
ask
Do
you
y'all season do that?
is,
I ain't lying. I was like, why is this mess not coming out? But for some reason, it be sticking together.
I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters.
All right, y'all. So I got my fall stuff out. I'm still looking for a pumpkin, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my placemats. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the ovens. I just think these are so cute. So I went back to the Dollar Tree. And I found these, you guys. I found these. These little. So I think I'm gonna do yellow this year. These, they got blessed on it. Yeah. Right there. I got my fall plug-ins, but I got to get some wallflowers from Bath and Body Works. And what I'm gonna do this year, I'm gonna take these $1 and I'm gonna put them right. I think that'll be cute. Right there. And then, oh shoot, okay. These gonna go right here because my plates from last year, I got these to match, so I didn't want the same salsa on the same thing. So here's my vision, what I got. All right. And then I'm gonna take the middle, the saucer, and put right there. I did this all, y'all, while I was at the Dollar Tree. I had a vision. And then I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna place it right there. I gotta get the thing to, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I got it up. It looks really, really cute. And then I gotta get candy to fill my little pumpkin up. So I'm gonna set that right here. I think it's coming along pretty good, girl.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters.
Yeah, I think my fall decor came out really cute. It's not luxury or whatever you want to call it, but hey, I'm happy with it. I love it, and I'm gonna finish cooking. And then hey, this is my dinner, y'all. Some cabbage, cornbread, and neck bones, and I am about to murder this food. Remember, let me know in the comments what you guys are having for Sunday dinner. Don't forget to grab your cleaning schedule. The link will be in the description. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.